Hi everyone, my name is Linda Caldwell and I live at 9,000 feet in the Rocky Mountains west of Denver, Colorado. I have been with Tenderfoot Village for quite a long time, even before she had all her groups and when she was making the soft, what I call the soft gnomes. I enjoyed them so much and went to her tutorial and learned how to make those. I've made those for a couple years, and then she started making these and just got so involved with them. Sarah is such a good teacher. She comes across relaxed even though she says she's not. She said she's nervous. She does it, she's just very natural, and she's always there for if anyone has questions for her. Her designs are so unique. She has so many different gnomes out there and different ways to prepare them. I would recommend Tenderfoot Village and Sarah to anybody out there. If you love gnomes, you're going to love watching Sarah's videos, watching her lives, and just making all of her precious gnomes. I hope this is good for all of you. Sarah, good luck, hon. We love you. Bye.